What's the meaning of Charles Mingus? Charles Mingus. Charles Mingus.
Charles Mingus. Charles Mingus. Charles Mingus was a highly influential American jazz bassist, composer, and bandleader. He was known for his unique playing style, which incorporated elements of gospel music and free jazz. Mingus' compositions were often complex and emotionally charged, dealing with themes of racial injustice and social inequality. Throughout his career, he collaborated with many other prominent jazz musicians and released multiple critically acclaimed albums, including Mingus and The Black Saint and The Sinner Lady. His legacy as a musician and composer continues to inspire new generations of jazz artists.